Here's an interesting fact you might not know. Suzlon Energy Ltd's share price has been on a steady upward climb, marking an impressive 350% surge in the current fiscal year. From a low of 7 rupees and 5 paise each on the National Stock Exchange in late March 2023, Suzlon shares have been steadily climbing. Today, Suzlon's share price opened with a positive gap, reaching an intraday high of 32 rupees and 80 paise per share. What's driving this surprising surge? Experts point to a couple of key factors. First, the company's aggressive debt reduction plan has had a positive impact on its financial performance. And second, the acquisition of a substantial order for a wind energy project has bolstered its market position. This order has not only strengthened Suzlon's order book, but has also positioned it favorably in the market, signaling to investors that the company is on solid footing. But that's not all. Market analysts suggest there is still room for growth. They identify a resistance level at 35 rupees per share and believe that if this hurdle is breached, the stock could soar to 40 rupees per share in the near term. Rajesh Sinha, Senior Research Analyst at Bonanza Portfolio, explains, "The rally in Suzlon shares is primarily fueled by its debt reduction plan, recent significant order for a wind energy project, and positive recommendations from brokerage firms." Sinha further highlights Suzlon Energy Ltd's dominant market share of 33% in India's domestic market, based on total installations. With 20 gigawatts of operational wind power capacity globally, Suzlon outpaces its competitors. An existing order book of 1.5 gigawatts positions Suzlon well for execution over the next 2 years. As Suzlon Energy Ltd navigates the challenges and opportunities in the renewable energy sector, it continues to be a focus for investors eyeing growth potential in the stock market. What exactly is fueling this impressive surge in Suzlon shares? Let's delve deeper. Suzlon Energy's recent share price rally is primarily driven by a few key factors. Rajesh Sinha, a senior research analyst at Bonanza Portfolio, points out that Suzlon's debt reduction plan plays a significant role. This strategic move has not only fortified the company's financial standing, but also boosted investor confidence. Another major trigger is the acquisition of a substantial order for a wind energy project. This order has not only strengthened Suzlon's order book, but has also positioned it favorably within the market. Positive recommendations from brokerage firms have further amplified the bullish trend in Suzlon's shares. These endorsements have not only validated the company's growth prospects, but also increased its visibility among potential investors. Suzlon's impressive market share can't be overlooked either. The company boasts a dominant market share of 33% in India's domestic market, based on total installations. Globally, Suzlon's operational wind power capacity outpaces its competitors, with 20 gigawatts of wind power capacity under its belt. Adding to its arsenal, Suzlon has an existing order book of 1.5 gigawatts, setting the stage for consistent execution over the next 2 years. This is further bolstered by securing a substantial order for a 201.6 megawatt wind energy project from Tech Green Power Services, a part of O2 Power, in August 2023. With these factors in play, Suzlon Energy Ltd is well positioned for execution over the next 2 years. So, what's the future looking like for Suzlon shares? Well, Sumit Bagadia, the executive director at Choice Broking, has an optimistic outlook. He anticipates that Suzlon shares, currently on a bullish trend, could soar to as high as 40 rupees per share in the medium term. However, this is contingent on the shares surpassing their current resistance level of 35 rupees. For current shareholders, Bagadia offers a key piece of advice: maintain a trailing stop loss at 25 rupees. This way, you can secure your gains and limit potential losses as you hold out for the projected targets. As the future unfolds, it's essential to stay vigilant. Keep a close eye on the market as Suzlon shares continue their bullish trend. As we anticipate the company's second quarter results for the current fiscal year, let's take a moment to review their recent performance. Suzlon Energy has reported a sharp 96% decline in consolidated net profit to 101 crore in the first quarter of the current fiscal year compared to 2,433.33 crore in the corresponding period of the previous fiscal year. However, despite this decline, the company's revenue from operations in the first quarter came in at 1,347.52 crore, representing a marginal 2% decrease compared to the same period last year. As Suzlon navigates the renewable energy sector's challenges and opportunities, it remains in the spotlight for investors seeking growth potential in the stock market. Stay tuned for the upcoming financial results and developments that may shape Suzlon's future performance.